Welcome to day 5 of my 33-day life reset journey. Japanese sakura, birch tree, buck oak, and normal oak. What a beauty. And this is Japanese sakura. Look at that, how beautiful it is.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yeah. At least you know the struggle.
I took the helmet down because I'm sweating like a horse. So welcome to Costorphine Hill.
Are you friendly? Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, yo, yo, yo.
So today's side quest is Costorphine Hill, and I'm trying to go up my board. It's a little bit harder than I thought, but what can you do?
Bye, guys.
As a side quest, I visited Costorphine and Clermiston Tower. It dates back to the 15th century and was built by the Foresters family as a defensive keep. The tower played a significant role in local history when it became the scene of famous murder in 1679, when Lord Forester was killed by his mistress. Standing at 678 feet above the sea level, it offers commanding view across Edinburgh and was strategically positioned to guard the western approach to the city. Today, this stone tower remains one of Edinburgh's hidden gems, largely unknown to tourists and treasured by locals who climb the hill for its panoramic vistas. And then I fell from my board like a sack of potatoes. house. Hope you enjoy it like I did. See you again tomorrow, and if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share it with friends, or check out links in the description.